It has crab imitation meat. I'm not a huge fan of that, but I love rangoons, so yeah. It tastes sweet. It's really good. I was like, I don't know if I should get this. It's good. So we're at a Thai restaurant. I got, what is it called? I forgot, but it's noodles with chicken. And these are so good.
And I'll do the penne curry. Yes, please. No longer be with us after May 16th. She has moved on to other endeavors. Standing appointments therefore been canceled. Please reach out to us. This is at Samantha. Just the number. And it doesn't say.
It's not funny. My weight isn't funny.
Yeah.
It's funny to you?
She's saying to me, like, she's gonna move the.
Yeah, sorry for that bad
I don't know if she's cooking her own place.
You know, this guy was using this, and this made me look weird.
Or somebody with her own kind of stall, kind of nails on to. I don't know.
I think this is my first time at a Thai restaurant. I think. Because we usually just eat like Chinese food or like Vietnamese or Japanese. Yeah. Or Korean barbecue. Yeah. Korean, Japanese. We're like international. We eat everything. My mom got a curry. It's like a little spicy, I think, and it has pork, right? And then her rice. It looks good.
They're gonna hear me eat.
Dude, they're gonna hear my mom eating.
But I'm gonna eat some more. It's really good.
It's hot. The noodles are like extremely thick. These are noodles.
So
I love it.
the Indians have their own curries and the Thai.
All Asians have their own curries.
Oh, no sabía.
I think it's an Asian thing, I think. Wait, excuse my bra. Okay. It might look like a little boring, but it actually tastes really good.
Yeah, mine too.
Right?
Really good flavor.
Wow.
We should like. I mean, I don't know if we'll forget, but we should write down like the places that we go to. That way, like when once upon a time, Priscilla and Kedges come, we can be like, oh, okay, since se les antoja Asian, we know what that means.
My sister, she's a big foodie. She likes eating a lot and everything. Us too. And my mom's saying that we pretty much need to like write down all the good restaurants. Just for a reminder, like to bring them whenever they visit us.
Who knows when that's gonna be? No, because maybe by the end of the year. I think for sure they're gonna come by the end of the year.
This tastes like peppery. Pepper always makes me choke. Pepper.
That's weird. Porque como chile no, and pepper sí.
Because pepper has this thing that's like, te pica, like I don't know.
El chile no?
No, when you eat a lot of pepper, that's, I don't know. I'm sad because me and Max recorded ourselves eating noodles. But we streamed it and it turned out to be like have bad quality, so I couldn't upload it to YouTube because it looked really bad.
How's everything here?
Good. So I couldn't upload it, so I was sad. The vegetables make it perfect. And we found this place like randomly. I was like, let's go here.
Ya miro y no dijo nada.
Obvio. Oh yeah, we're in Vegas. You guys can probably hear my mom eating.
It's an ASMR.
She's right next to my phone. It's best for me to like record on a big table, on a longer table. That's what I've noticed.
still good.
Yeah,
Let
really
me know
good.
when you're ready for get some dessert, okay?
Oh, I don't
Can you
know.
get some hot sauce, please?
Hot sauce, yeah?
Dessert.
We were like, oh yeah,
This is a lot.
we're gonna get dessert. I don't think so.
I love these.
Some more water for you?
Yes, please.
Sure.
So creamy.
No, I want to try noodle.
A noodle?
Yeah.
Good.
Just, yeah, just like.
Right? Good.
That's the way I like it. That's that smoky flavor. It's chicken.
I think it would have been better with like another meat.
Oh, like 2 meats? Oh, not chicken? Like
I like chicken, but
Thank you.
Some more water for you? Enjoy.
yeah, it's like smoky. It's the pepper. I added the hot sauce, but it's like a little bit too much. Like smokiness? Is that how you would say it? Yeah, we're in Vegas.
Oh, so
I didn't even say that.
You didn't want to try it?
Let me try it. Let me show them. They need to see this. It's really good.
So you showed it now?
This is my mom's. Yeah. I'm gonna try it. ¿Qué tiene?
It's made with coconut milk.
This is what Max likes. We got one from Costco. It's really good. Oh my god, it's sweet.
It's sweet? So that's it?
Yeah.
Really good.
Wow. And then she has rice on the side. I think it's coconut.
Yeah, that's what
Right?
I guess that's how they make it. With coconut milk.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy we got this. Noodles. It's like my dream meal. It came true.
Quiero son. Quiero voy a limpiar el cuarto.
She's gonna clean my room.
¿Tú? El baño. Oh, ya me voy a bañar y me voy a acostar. Está lleno de polvo. Because I didn't clean the room last time we were here.
Your room?
No, the other room where I stayed last. Está lleno de polvo. Oh, is that meat? Oh no, that's not meat.
It is a noodle.
What is is the green? Like spinach?
This is spinach, and then I had broccoli. I ate all the broccoli. Yeah. Max would like that.
El Roro.
Shout out to Roro. Roro is his cat, Lolo. A lot of this is Google.